stop wasting money without even noticing. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that can quietly reduce your monthly expenses. They work in the background, they're simple to use, and you don't need to change your lifestyle. Just using one of these tools can help you save more money than you expect. So, let's jump straight into it. Let's start with Clio AI, one of the smartest and most popular financial assistants available today. Clio analyzes your spending patterns automatically, breaking everything down into clear categories so you can finally understand where your money is going. Imagine this: you think you're only ordering food once or twice a week, but Clio shows that you're actually spending much more than you thought. It highlights these patterns in real time, sending warnings when you're close to overspending and helping you stay within your budget. But what makes Clio different is that it's not just a tracker, it's an assistant. It gives you challenges, personalized savings tips, and automatic budget plans based on your income. Many users say they save between $50 and $200 every month just by following Clio's recommendations. If you want something easy, visual, and beginner-friendly, this is a perfect first step. Next on the list is Honey, and this one is one of the easiest ways to save money without lifting a finger. Whenever you shop online, Honey automatically searches thousands of coupon codes and applies the best one. You don't need to Google anything, copy codes, or waste time testing discounts manually. Honey also shows price history, so you understand if a product is really on sale or if the store just raised the price before lowering it again. It alerts you when the price of something you're watching drops, which is extremely useful for electronics, home items, and even groceries. For people who love technology, this tool is perfect. We're always researching accessories, monitors, keyboards, or PC parts, and these prices change constantly. Honey can save 10% to 20% per purchase without any extra effort, and that adds up quickly. The third tool is Rocket Money, and this one can be a game changer. We live in a world full of subscriptions, streaming services, music apps, cloud storage, gym memberships, game passes, and even forgotten trials. Rocket Money scans all your accounts and reveals every subscription you're paying for, even the ones you haven't used in months. It organizes everything in a simple dashboard and shows how much you spend per month and per year. And the best part, you can cancel any subscription with a single tap. No calling customer service, no waiting on hold, no sending emails. Most users save between $200 and $600 per year just by removing forgotten subscriptions. If your goal is financial control and cutting unnecessary expenses, Rocket Money is probably the most effective tool on this list. Now let's talk about Camel AI, a tool especially useful if you buy tech items from Amazon. This AI tracks millions of products and shows the full price history of each one. So if a store claims something is on sale, you instantly know whether that discount is real or fake. It also predicts price drops using historical data. That means you can plan your purchases and avoid overpaying for electronics or home items. Imagine you want a new laptop, a monitor, or even a graphics card. Instead of buying impulsively, Camel tells you if you should wait, because the price usually drops next week or next month. For tech lovers and people who buy gadgets even once a year, this tool can save a significant amount of money. And finally, we have MeLime AI, which is completely different from the other tools, but extremely effective for saving money every single week. This AI creates meal plans using the cheapest ingredients available near you. It automatically generates shopping lists and suggests recipes that help you avoid food waste. Food waste is one of the biggest hidden expenses in any household. Sometimes you buy ingredients that end up forgotten in the fridge until they spoil. MeLime solves that problem by planning realistic meals and generating lists based on your family size. Most users save between 15% and 25% on groceries every month just by following the recommended lists. If you want something practical and consistent, this tool is a great option, and that's it. These 5 AI tools can quietly reduce your monthly expenses without requiring big lifestyle changes. They work in the background, they're easy to use, and they immediately show where your money is going. If you start using even one of these tools today, you're already taking a smart step towards saving more money every month. If you want more videos about AI tools, technology tips, and smart ways to manage your money. Make sure to subscribe to Tech and Money Lab. New videos are posted every week to help you use technology to improve your financial life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.